Hi all. So this is this month's Craftiosity, so it's November. I've had it for a couple of days, but only just got time to record because we've had so much rain. It's been quite dark and miserable here, so hopefully today we'll be able to get through before it rains too much. So let's have a look, shall we? Let's get the lid under there for a minute. Okay, so this is our postcard. Isn't that pretty? Unusual little info, but this is our little information. So we are doing lino cutting, lino print cards. I've never done this. So we get a lino cutter handle, lino cutter blade, 2 times soft lino blocks, 3 times ink pads, 12 times A6 greeting cards and 12 envelopes to go with that, A5 tracing paper and a design template. And we need to add to that ourselves a pencil, pair of scissors and scrap paper to protect the table. I've never done this, but I've seen it done on TV and it always looks fabulous. So this is going to be a fun one to do. It opens up like that. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is the cards. You can see the crease line down there. They're quite nice. That's not bad. You can see the thickness of that. That's really good. And then the envelopes. Okay, so this is our template clearly. So that's quite cool. Very Christmassy. And that'll be our tracing paper. So we have, it's a very fine small archival instant dry pigment ink, oil based, water resistant, long lasting, cleans up easy. Let's see if you can see that. Oh, and this is Olympia green. See that? Let's see if we can open it so we can have a look, shall we? I never manage to open these plastic type things very well. I always mess it up. So let's have a look. So there we go. I don't know if you can see with the lighting, but that is a green. Let's put that on without making a mess. And then next one here we have satin red. So let's see if I can open this one any better, shall we? No, apparently not. It does have a tear thing around the whole outside, but I'm not doing a very good job at it. Doing an awful job. Nah. There we go. So, oh look at that, that's quite nice. And then, so it's Dewdrop, Fade Resistant Memento bamboo leaves, acid free, water based, fade resistant, fast drying on most paper surfaces, excellent for capturing detailed stamp images. Oh, I can't speak properly today, can I? I'm out of practice. Still didn't manage it. Oh, don't ask me to open things, will you? So there we go. So that's quite cool. I'm assuming that's a colour number there, MD707, bamboo leaves. I don't know, but it's quite cool. I've never seen an ink pad this shape before, so that's really quite cool. Okay, so caution, contains sharp objects. So this is probably our blade. Careful. Yep. So I can get it out. There we go. So that's our blade. And that way. I don't think you can see, but it does say cutter number 2, Ethody or something. I actually cannot read what that says. I don't know if anyone else knows what that is. I'm assuming that's the brand. Oh, so these are little lino things. So that thick. They're quite nice. So it's going to be interesting to see to do them. Oh, and here's our handle. So obviously the blade will go in there, open that, blade go in, screw it down so it tightens in. It's a really good handle to hold. That's quite good. So I think that's everything, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. So that's not bad, is it? So I will be filming me doing these. I know I've been very lax in getting videos out, especially of me doing my Craftiosity kits, but I will be getting them done. I've had a lot of study and business stuff going on that's slowing me down doing actual videos, but hopefully normal service will resume soon, so you'll get to see me having fun with all of these. But I really like that, so I'm going to look forward to doing that. So if you just Google Craftiosity, you'll find the kits. The usual legal jargon stuff. I am not sponsored, affiliated, or acknowledged with them in any shape or form. They probably don't even know I do these videos, but I just like to show and share what boxes I get that I like. If it comes to a time that I don't like them, then I stop. But at the moment I still really like these boxes, so I keep going. So I hope you enjoy watching them too, and I will see you all next month for the next box, and hopefully you will see some of the actual stuff being made over the next month or so. So I'll see you all later. You take care. Bye!